Hey guys, this is Henry here again. Alright, in this video guys, I want to draw your attention to something. This is Hotbit wallet. Early this year, I told members in my group, my Telegram group, to buy HTB token, which is the first you are seeing on the list. HTB token, which is Hotbit token. Just the way we have BNB, Binance token. This is Hotbit token. Now, if you see, I have 10,173 pieces of this. And it is worth, if you look below, 548.95 USD. Guys, I want to show you something. Let me quickly go there. Because anytime I purchase any cryptocurrency, I write it down for future purpose. Okay, as you can see here, I said cryptocurrencies I bought in 2021. Monitor/progress. Number one, JULD. I bought it for $26. I bought 1,000, blah, blah, blah. Kimchi, YTMB. Now, where we are going to is the HTB, which is the number 5. Hotbit token. The HTB. Are you seeing it? How many dollars did I buy it? $6. And I bought 16,000 pieces with that $6. 16,000 pieces with that $6. Now let's go. I have 10,000 here because I have sold 6,000 out of it. I don't even know why I sold it. I can't even remember. Now, I bought 16,000 pieces of this coin with just $6. Right now, 10,000 pieces of that coin is worth $548. Brothers and sisters, I bought this coin in 2021, this year, guys. And I think approximately, I bought this coin, if I'm not mistaken, around April. So April, May, June, July, August, September, October, 7 months down the line. This is where we are right now. And as you can see, this coin is still, it hasn't even started yet. Let's see how much it is right now. That's what you are seeing in the second list. HTB is at 0.05 USD now as we speak. So if you bought this coin with me, as at the time I told us to buy this coin, you'll be making massive money right now. Can you imagine? I'm asking myself questions now. I'm just looking at this and I'm asking myself, why did I just spend only $6? What is $6? Why did I spend only $6? Why didn't I put $100 on this coin, or $50 at most, or even $20? Why? If you check this list here, there are some I bought with $31. I bought Crow $56, $18. I should have just invested all those money on HTB. Yes, I'm this person that I'm a fan of investing in exchangers tokens. You see all these exchanger, Binance, their governance token. Just go and check exchangers token. They are all doing perfectly well. So that was what I sniped. I sniped it early this year and I bought this coin. But look at the amount I bought. Look at how much I spent. $6. What? Why did I spend just $6 on this? But that is just it. That is investing for you. You don't know the one that will do well. You don't know the one that won't do well. I wish I had invested even all the monies I used in buying all this coin on it. Can you imagine how many percent of increase this coin has given me in the past few months? From $6 to $548. And I'm not selling anymore. And it is still growing. It is still growing, guys. If you need informations like this, you want to know the cryptocurrencies to invest in, cryptocurrencies that you can put small money. See, I'm not really a fan of putting $1,000 in a cryptocurrency. No, I'm not. I'm not that kind of an investor. I'm not saying it's bad, because if I had done that with this cryptocurrency right now, I would have been in millions right now. Just imagine it was $100 I invested in this coin. I would really be in millions right now as we speak, if not millions, in thousands of dollars. So those kind of investors are good. But me, there's something I love. I look for smaller coins that have potentials of growing within a short period of time or even a long period of time. Then I just invest at least $10. I buy as much as possible and I watch it grow. So if you want to get such information, I will be placing my Telegram group link in the description of this video. Join. You all know me. I'm into Forex trading and also cryptocurrency. So, but this link you'll be joining is basically, this group you'll be joining is basically for Forex trading. But as time goes on, once in a while, I drop cryptocurrencies that you should invest in and all that. I just don't want to have too many groups. So one encapsulate all rather. So guys, this is the information I want to pass to you right now. You see this Hotbit? This Hotbit is a wallet that I use in buying shit coins. All these coins you see here are shit coins. Shit, you know, they say shit coins. Now, the next video I'll be dropping right now is another shit coin that I've spotted. I have sniped it, and it's also a exchanger wallet token. If you know you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and click the bell button so that when I drop the info, you can take advantage of it and let us all hold and watch together. Thank you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. I don't know why some people are giving my videos a thumbs down. If you have any issue, comment. I can upgrade, I can improve on myself. So give this video a thumbs up, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.